Hi everyone. Let's learn one more method in string. Okay, today we are going to learn contains method. Let's see what exactly contains method will do. Let's see contains method of char sequence. Let's say char sequence. This contains method will take character sequence as a parameter and it will return boolean. It will return boolean as a return type. So this contains method is a part of string class in Java. Okay, so what it do is it checks whether a particular sequence of characters exist in the given string or not. Okay, let's take an example. Let's take an example. Let's say we have a string called hello world. Let's say we have a string called hello world. Hello world. Here we are checking whether the world is exist in this string or not. This in this string or not. So let's say str dot contains of right world. You can see in string str we have world available, right? So what this method will do? This method will return result as a boolean. Boolean I'll say result. So this result would be true because in string str world is existed. So it will return true. Okay, so let's write one more condition. So I'll write one more condition. Let's say str dot contains of hello. Hello. So what this method will do? So what this statement will do is, so it will check whether the str contains hello or not. So here it is exist. But the thing is that, so as I said, Java is a case sensitive. So there is a difference between the uppercase letter and lowercase letter. So you can see here we have hello. In hello, H is the uppercase letter, and in over here what we are comparing. So here we have H in a lowercase letter. So what this will do? This will return false. Okay, fine, right? Yeah, let's see an example, programmatic example in the next session. Until then, thank you for subscribing my videos.